Hey, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I would like to show you three different things that Google looks for. Let's first start with your website and how it looks. It looks really classy. I like the layout of it, and I really like the logo here and and how you came about putting the quote page together as far as your gallery and everything else, and it looks very wonderful. One of the first and major things that Google does look for is your content. Now, Google typically looks for 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your website in order to rank uh, up there in the front page. Currently, you guys are on the second page of Google. So let's kind of see kind of where you're at as far as content. Uh, and on content, you have 475 words of content. That'll be good, but it doesn't get you quite up there. So with that being said, let's move on to the next item up for discussion. Now, the second thing that I kind of want to talk about, um, get back over here. Okay, so I have here pulled up. It's a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and you can purchase this tool. Anyone can purchase this tool. And what it does is basically it tells you about a backlink profile of where you are at. Here is an overview of your site. Now, you don't really have not very many traffic, not too many organic keywords. Right here is the power and the strength, and it indicates of how powerful you are. So, as it stands here on the second page of Google, this is where we stand right now, and here we are. So if you go and you look at the first page of Google, okay, and you guys are on the top of the map pack, by the way, but we'll get to that in a second. Um, Calvin Turner Roofing is on top, and they are on the front page of Google. And as you can see, their backlink profile is a lot stronger. They have more keywords, a little bit more traffic, and all this basically just explains everything on the exact date of how much organic traffic and everything that you have going through. Um, so basically, all we would have to do is push all these keywords. We have access to all these, so all we got to do is push that power, and we can definitely beat these guys and put you in the front. So the third thing I want to talk about is basically, let's come over here. Now we discussed first page and second page. Third thing I want to discuss is the map pack right here. And from the looks of it, you need no help with this whatsoever. You are actually twice on the top page, so this is a plus. This is really good. This is where you actually beat your competition. So Calvin Turner Roofing is not up here. And basically how you get there, you guys did your page and everything perfectly well. I mean, everything is saved properly, and we can go ahead and make sure that everything else meets your standards as far as being up to date with everything. You got 97 Google reviews. That's wonderful. So from the looks of it, looks like you need no help whatsoever in this. Um, but anyway, just to recap, just want to say the first thing that Google looks for is content, and it crawls it all with these bots that put you on the front page. Second thing we want to look for is power to see how many backlinks and if they're actually organic, using organic keywords by pushing your site to the front page. So basically, I mean, we have access to all these keywords that we can implement on your site, just as easy as it was um, for your competition. So, and the third thing is, of course, the map pack. You guys are stellar in that. I hope this helps. This is just a tool, just some free information that I wanted to share with you today. And please feel free to reach out to me anytime. My name is Joshua Gutierrez at 505 331 7995. And my company name is Scenic Spark SEO. And my email is scenicsparkseo@gmail.com. That is scenicsparkseo@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your time and have a blessed day.